Good morning, second graders. Today we are going to talk a little bit about character traits. We have talked about character traits earlier in the school year, so this is going to be a review for some of us. But some of you wondering, what are character traits? Character traits are words that describe a character. These traits can be internal, or what is inside a character, or external, what is on the outside. If you look at the anchor chart on this page, some outside traits would be that the character has short hair or brown hair, has a big smile or freckles. Those are things that we can see on the outside. Inside traits are traits that describe who the person is on the inside. And for that, we have to really pay attention to what the character says and what the character does to determine what their internal traits are. So again, how do readers infer a character's internal traits? Readers are going to pay attention to what the character says, and readers are going to pay attention to what the character's actions are or what the characters do. That's called a character's behavior. And on this page, I also have the character traits chart that has some words that describe characters. We had this in our Thoughtful Dogs at school, but I know you don't have access to that, so I thought it might be helpful for you to have it for this lesson. We're going to work on some character traits of a character from a book that we've already read. So you can see on this page is the book Jabari Jumps. I know I've read that book to you guys a few times. If you don't remember the book, where it says Jabari Jumps in blue, you can click on that and it'll take you to a YouTube page of that book being read to you. But in this book, the main character is Jabari. And when I was paying attention to what Jabari does, his behavior in the book, that helps me to determine some character traits about him. So if you look at the column that says what the character does, Jabari kept thinking about jumping off the diving board. He didn't give up. Well, when I think about what that says about who Jabari is on the inside or his character traits, I decided that that meant Jabari was persistent. Jabari also jumped off the diving board even though he was scared. And so I think about that action, and I think that means when you do something even though you're scared, you're kind of brave or courageous. So I put that Jabari is courageous. You are going to be giving this a try using the book Betty Bunny Didn't Do It. Our focus character is going to be Betty Bunny. I want you to think about some things that Betty Bunny does or things that she says and what that means for her for character traits. What that character, what Betty Bunny is like on the inside. You're going to be asked to fill out your responses in a Google form instead of a chart like this. So look for the Google form that is linked in the slide deck. Thank you.